Hello everyone, this is Ashwin here. In this video we are going to see how to create a Python package. So usually you would have created multiple custom functions you want to use, but we would usually copy the files and directly import the files and import the necessary functions for usage. But what if you want to combine all the custom functions you have created and create a Python package? So you can share this package to others and install it in some other systems for easy usage. Now we are going to see how to do that. For this purpose, I'm going to create two simple functions, which is addition and subtraction, and see how we can create a package out of it. Let's create a structure. So this is the folder name I have created, and this is I'm using VS Code for developing this. First I will create a new folder. I will call the package hackersrealm. I'm going to name the package hackersrealm as well, so it's better to use the same name for the package as well. And inside the hackersrealm we have to create a init file. It should be empty, or you can add some initialization, but usually we will treat it as empty, so we can import the package. If you don't have this file, means sometimes it will create some issues while building the package. So another folder we will create for doing unit test cases. Here also we will create the same init file. So we have created a basic structure, and apart from this you can have a readme file. So readme file will be used if you want to share some instructions like how to install this package and what are the dependencies. All these things you can specify in readme. And one more file called setup.py. So this will be like a main file where you can use it to build a package. So we have created all the files. Now let's create our custom functions. I'm going to call that as operations.py. So inside the hackersrealm folder, I'm going to create operations.py. If you need more functions and if you want to create more files, means you can just create new file names and add the necessary functions inside it. So in the operations, I'm going to just define add and subtract. So def add x and y and return x plus y, and this will perform addition operation, and then we will do the same for subtract x comma y and return x minus y. So this will be perform subtraction operation. So these are the functions we are going to use. So that's all for operations.py. So whenever you create some functions, it's better to usually do some unit testing just to check whether these functions are working correctly or not. So for this case, we just have to check whether the addition operation is performing in correct manner. So inside the test folder, you will create another Python file, test operations. You can name it anything you want, but make sure you have the test keyword in the Python file, so it will run all the unit test cases whichever have these files. So it just represents this file contains unit test cases with the name representation. So in this we are going to import Pytest, and I'm going to import from hackersrealm. I'm going to import the operations from hackersrealm, import operations. Here I am going to create additional function, test addition, assert. Assertion is like basically it will just say whether it satisfies the condition or not. It's just true or false. So I'm going to call the function operations.add 2, 3 equals 5. So this operations.add should return 5, and this is the expected value. If both are same, means we will it will pass the test case. Like that, you can add many assertions if you want. I'll just add one more thing. 5 and 5, 10. So I just have like test case for addition. We will do the same for subtraction. Now assert operations dot subtract. You can see it's automatically suggesting the corresponding operation. 5 comma 4, which will be 1. I'll just leave with one assertion itself. So all these basic setup or the main programs has been done. So here the hackersrealm will contain the source code or the functions or class which we defined. The test folder will contain all the unit test. And in the setup.py we will add more information. So you have to import setup tools. From setup tools, import setup and find packages and just initialize setup. What is the package name? I'm going to name it as hackersrealm. Hackersrealm. Have to specify some version. So I'm not going to go deep into the version. You can specify it as like 1.0 for now. If it's in the development phase, means you can just name it as 0.1 or 0.2, like minor versions. Whenever you're going for a major release, means so you can just change the version like this, like 1.0 or 2.0. Other than that, if it's small minor changes, means you can change the version accordingly. And packages, here we will just call the find packages. So it will just automatically scan through the folders and find the necessary packages. There is one more optional parameter that I'll just share it with you. Install requires equals a list. So here you can add any dependency, add any dependencies. Let's say for performing this operations, you are importing pandas library or the numpy library, means you need to install that library as part of this package. So if you have that, means you can just specify pandas or numpy. Like this, you can specify n number of packages which is required for your custom functions. For now, I'll just comment this. This is just for an example. For now it will be an empty list. So that's pretty much it for the setup. Now we have to like create a distribution or wheel file out of it. So this is the source folder. You can see the snippets. So let's open the terminal. So inside the package, you have to type Python setup.py and bdist underscore wheel. So this will create a wheel file for you. You can use that wheel file to share with others and install it as a Python package. So I'll just share it here. To create wheel file, use the following command. So this is the file you can use. I'll just create the wheel file here quickly. So it'll just take some time. To install the package, use the following command. So I have to say Python, for installation pip install dot. So if you are in the current directory, means you can just directly install as it is. If you are using a wheel file, means it will give you some name. Let's say the distribution file is here. This is the wheel file. So copy the path and you can also use like this, or This is the full name, but you can just have the wheel file in the current directory and install like this. So for now, I am going to install with pip install dot. I am in the current directory of the package which we created. So pip install dot. So this will install the package into my Python scripts. So we can directly import it when we use Python. You can see successfully built hackersrealm and successfully installed hackersrealm 1.0, and this is the previous version I had. You can, as I said, you can also use pip install dist and hackersrealm wheel file. You can directly use this to install it. See, it's accepting, and it's showing the package is already installed. So now we will go into Python, import or from hackersrealm import operations. See, it's imported the function correctly. Now operations dot add 10,8. So it's adding 10 plus 8. Let's do the subtraction as well. Subtract 8, 3. See, it's doing the addition and subtraction. You are just importing the package directly by doing the installation. You can also uninstall the package if you don't want it anymore. So this is how you can create a package and install it into your Python environment and use it. So this is much easier way. Other than this, you can also use PyBuilder, which is also similar to Pytest, but this is a straightforward way, and you can quickly create a package using this. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll definitely answer it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.